अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सब्जेक्ट जोग्राफिया, क्लास 6th। और टॉपिक है द मेजर डोमेन्स ऑफ द अर्थ और सब टॉपिक है बायोस्फीयर द डोमेन ऑफ लाइफ। द बायोस्फीयर इज द नैरो जोन ऑफ contact between the land, water and air. It is in this zone that life that is unique to this planet exists. There are several species of organisms that vary in size from microbes and bacteria to huge mammals. All the living organisms, including human, are linked to each other and to the biosphere for survival. The organisms in the biosphere may broadly be divided into the plant kingdom and the animal kingdom. The three domains of the earth interact with each other and affect each other in some way or the other. For example, cutting of forests for fulfilling our needs of wood or clearing land for agriculture may lead to fast removal of soil from slopes. Similarly, Earth's surface may be changed due to natural calamities like earthquakes. For example, there could be submergence of land as happened in the case of tsunami recently. Parts of Andaman and Nicobar Islands were submerged underwater. Discharge of waste material into lakes and rivers makes the water unsuitable for human use. It also damages other forms of life. Emission from industries, thermal power plants, and vehicles pollute the air. Carbon dioxide is an important constituent of air, but increase in the amount of carbon dioxide leads to an increase in global temperatures. This is termed as global warming. There is thus a need to limit the use of resources of the earth to maintain the balance of nature between the domains of the lithosphere, the atmosphere and the hydrosphere. आज का सबक ख़त्म हुआ, इससे आगे आइंदा कल पढ़ेंगे।